In this video, I am going to show you my exact process that I use to create Shopify stores using AEI. Let's get started. Once you sign up for Shopify, you'll be taken to this page. This is the Shopify dashboard. Before designing your store, make sure to add all your products and images on your store. This will make the design process much easier. Okay, now I will go to Apps on the left and then search for an app called Replo. Replo is a landing page builder which will help you design your Shopify store using AI. So, I will simply click on this install button to install this app on our store. Next, you'll be taken to the Replo dashboard. Here, you need to create a free Replo account. I will simply enter my email and password here to continue. Next, enter your name and click Next. Now, it will just ask you some survey questions like, how did you hear about them? What is your industry, etc. Lastly, it will ask you to either start designing from scratch or select a template. Replo provides some of the best converting landing pages, which I will show you in a moment, but for now I am going to continue with the blank template. This will take you to the Replo editor, where you can design your entire store using AI. When you click on this blank canvas, it will show you the editing options on the right side. Then on the left-hand side, you'll see the layers and components options. Here, you'll find dozens of elements that you can use to design your store. On the top left, you'll see this web icon. When you click on it, you'll find all the pre-made templates that this app has to offer. These are conversion-optimized templates that are made by industry experts to help you maximize your store sales and conversions. You can add these templates by clicking on this Add button. Next, we also have different sections here. You can add these separate sections on your page too. Okay, now I will show you how to create a page using AI. To do that, you only need to click on this little plus icon here. This will give you three options. You can either create a page from scratch, or you can use pre-made templates. And lastly, we have this Generate with AI option, which will allow us to create our entire store using AI. So I will click on this Generate with AI button. I will name this page as a product page. Now, it will ask several questions. In the topic section, I have to select the type of page that I want to create. So, I will select this long-form offer page. Next, I have to select a tone for my page, so I will select the friendly tone. And last but not least, I have to choose a goal. My goal is to maximize the store conversion, so I will select this option. Next, it will ask you to select a product from their list. Replo has a list of products that you can use during your store designing process. I can also select my own products from here, but for now, I will continue with the demo products. Next, we have the option to add additional context. Here you can give info about your brand or anything that you want to add. Once it's done, I will click on this Make Magic button. Now, Replo AI will take a few seconds to design our store page, and within 30 seconds, Replo has created this entire product page using their AI tool. This is the entire structure of our page, and it is already filled with good quality content. Now you only need to select these sections one by one and then add your own content inside these sections. And within a few minutes, your online store will be ready to launch.